Hello dear friends, it's Stella here. Welcome back to my channel. So right in today's video, I'm going to put you through the step-by-step process on how to create a new Gmail account without your phone number. Your Gmail account is the same as your Google account. So I'm going to put you through the step-by-step on how to create your Gmail account without attaching your phone number to it. Okay, so this will help you to have as many Gmail accounts as you want to have. Okay, but before I go ahead, I would like to ask that you kindly hit the subscribe button below and click on the bell icon so you won't miss out on any of my video. Subscription is free. Okay, so let's get to the main video. When you open your Gmail app, you click at the top right corner, click at the profile icon. Then down here you can see, right here you can see my Gmail account, and at the bottom right here you see add another account. Click on add another account, then click on Google. Okay, so your Google account is the same as your Gmail account. Okay, just click on Google, then you have to verify it's you. So let's wait for it to open. Okay, so right here click on create account. When you click on create account, you have option to create for yourself or for your business. Okay, so for myself it's just like a personal account, and for your business is a brand account. Like when you want to create a brand account, you're going to choose to manage my business. That's the second option. Okay, but when you want to create a personal account, you choose for myself. Okay, just as bored because of this video, I'm going to click on for myself. That is a personal account, and then you choose a name for your account. So I'm going to choose Stella Venus. Okay, so I'm going to choose this name for my Gmail. You choose your date of birth, and your gender, and then you tap on next. Okay, so right here you're going to have options to choose from those names listed. So I'm just going to go with the second name, Stella Venus 35 at gmail.com, and then you click on next. You choose a password. Okay, so I'm just going to choose a password. They said create a strong password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. So this will make up a strong password. So let me just try and create something. Hello 456. Okay, and then click on next. So right here you're going to have option to add your phone number, but because we don't want to add our phone number, we don't want our phone number to be connected to this Gmail account, we're going to click on skip at the bottom left corner. Just tap on skip. Okay, and then tap on next. You scroll up and click on I agree. You can read all this stuffs if you wish to. Okay, so your Gmail account is ready. So I'm just going to tap at the profile icon by the top right corner. Then down here you can see the Gmail account we just created. Okay, so I've added to my Gmail the number of my Gmail accounts, and this is just how to create your Gmail account without linking your phone number to it. Very simple to do. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button below and click on the bell icon so you won't miss out on any of my videos. Okay guys,